So this is a Motorola G Play 16 megapixel phone. I set it up in the past for my father. He never used it because they were using another phone. Now, after a while, we decided to use it, but I forgot what was the password we set up. So I'm just going to hard reset. What I did is I just turn it off from this power button. And now I'm gonna turn back on using this volume down and power button holding together. So hold it. Okay, you will see this screen. So this is up and down button. So scroll down and select recovery mode. You will see a message on the screen, no command. Press up button and the power button again. So volume up and the power button. So this menu will come up. Use the volume down button. Go to wipe data factory reset, and then this is the select button. So press select. Then again, factory reset. Select. Okay. So that's done. Actually, it's showing the commands down there. So formatting data, formatting metadata, and data wipe complete. What we're going to do is just reboot now. Select.
So that should wipe any password on the screen. Thank you.